Today we'll be making mandazis. I would describe them as African donuts, but not as sweet. This is my go-to recipe because it's very quick and easy to make. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 egg, 1 cup of warm milk, 4 tablespoons of butter melted, half a cup of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and some oil for frying. I use vegetable oil. You're going to start by placing the milk and butter together in a container and microwaving them for 45 seconds. Mix in the egg and combine well to ensure that the butter is completely melted. In a bowl, mix together the sugar, flour, baking powder, salt until well combined. Pour in the milk, butter, and egg mixture to the bowl with the flour. Mix well until a ball of dough forms. If dough is wet and sticky, add in more flour, a little at a time, until dough is no longer sticky. I usually add in about 1/4 of a cup of flour until I get my dough into the right consistency. Knead dough for a couple of minutes, about 3 to 5 minutes. Cover the dough with a kitchen towel and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. You could do 10 to 15 minutes. In a medium pot, pour enough oil for frying. It should cover about half the pot. Set it on the stove on medium-low heat to begin warming. Next, you're going to take your dough and roll it into a large rectangle and cut it into medium strips. Then cut the strips into squares. Take one of your squares and place it into the oil. And when you see that the oil is bubbling around the square, then you'll know that your oil is hot enough to fry your mandazis. So you're going to carefully place the squares into the pot of oil one at a time. Try to fry 5 to 6 of them at a time, and when one side is golden brown, turn it over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. When both sides are brown, take them out and place them on a paper towel to soak up the grease. Repeat this process until all your squares are cooked. Mandazis are a great breakfast treat with chai or coffee. Enjoy! This is a Swahili mom reminding you of home. Thanks for watching.